Stir-fried cauliflower rice with shiitake mushrooms. We're gonna start with a little olive oil, some garlic, some onions, some scallions, some ginger. Give it a nice stir, get them onions seasoned down, cook them down, then you add some cauliflower rice, some shiitake mushrooms, some red peppers, flakes, and then you stir it up. Once you stir it up, you get a nice little grill on it, then you add some stir-fry sauce. Once you add the stir-fry sauce, you just stir it up. Look at that nice color. You get that nice browning from the stir-fry of the pot, and then you plate it. Look at that. Oh, you got a nice succulent color. There it is, cauliflower stir-fry rice.